day everyone, I'm going to be teaching you how to create, edit and render page type. Okay, please note the following information, it does not belong to anybody. It is solely for the purpose of training. I repeat, the following information here does not belong to anyone, absolutely. It is only for training purposes and illustration. Okay, I want to tell you how to create, edit and render page type. As I said, as an accountant, log on with your details, go to your menu, click on Pay Arena. When you click on Pay Arena, you see Render and Create Pay. Click on Render and Create Pay. The classes are going to display the arm and whatever you have put here are going to display. Okay, now I want to teach you how to create before we edit and render it. Now, to create a new pay type, you have to click here. Every financial well, transaction, every money that comes has a name. That's what we refer to pay type, has a label. That is pay type. Okay, now it can be expenses, it can be income. Income and expenses are like the title. The subtitle is the name of what you're putting it under. Then that's the subtitle will be under a title. Under the title, it could be direct expenses, administrative expenses, other income, or main income. That's what comes to the school and what goes out of the school. Okay, very fine. Now let's go ahead. So now I want to create a pay type. I'm putting the pay type under feeding. Now every information has a code. Let's say this will be um feed 101. That would be like a code for it. Then the pay description, and let's say food, then also the amount that they pay, 4,000 naira per child. Then I have to select it to put it under feeding. Then also I'll save. Click on the mark icon to save. Now when you go to your pay type arena, you see that it's not here. You can see food, see the code, and see the subtitle it's under. This is the title that it is under also. The one on top is the subtitle. This is the title. Then this is the amount. Now this food I want to render to a particular class. So I have to tap the class. I've tapped the primary two now. For example, they are all feeding in the school. So I have to render this money to them. What I do, I select all of them. After select them, go and select the food, the money I'm rendering to them. Then also click on this icon. You can see this icon. This icon is to render. Render means to give them, now attach it to them. Okay, I'm rendering it to them. So I'll click on render. Okay, now it will reflect on the from their end. They can see this is the amount of money that the school have spent, of which they need to pay back for food that they consume. So I have rendered it to them. So that's how to create and to render to them. I've even skipped editing of pay type. Like I said, every money that comes into the school is labeled. So if for instance you're paying tuition, like you say tuition or school fees, and the first term cost is different from the first second term, you name them separately. It could be first term tuition 10,000, second term tuition 13,000. As far as they are different amounts, you have to label them, give them their name. But if they are the same, it could be just school fees, render it to all of them. Now to edit, maybe I want to edit this particular one that I did just now. How do I edit? Now to edit, I just have to go to the name, click on it, tap on it, do it. Let me say I want to add S foods to the I've done the correction or add what I want to add, then save. Also you see it to be updated successfully. So that's how to create, edit and render page type. Thank you very much. And also you can watch our videos on how to create account subtitle and account title. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.